We're looking at number 54. Number 54 says r is equal to L divided by P times t squared. Our goal is to solve for t. So first thing I see, we need to get t in the into the numerator. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply t squared by both sides. T's cancel, so you're left with t squared times r equals L divided by P. From here, I'm going to divide r by both sides. So we get t squared equals L divided by PR. As you can see, I multiplied P by R because we're making it smaller by a factor, or making L smaller by a factor of R. It's canceled. From here, we're going to square root. We can just write on the next page and see. Square root's the inverse of a square, so you're left with the answer of t is equal to the square root of L divided by PR. We're just going to rationalize the denominator just because it is a skill that you're expected to know. So how do we get PR not to be square rooted? We multiply it by its conjugate, which would just be PR. So t is equal to square root R times square root PR divided by square root PR times square root PR. And then this is called rationalize the denominator. Square root of PR times the square root of PR is PR, so we get t is equal to square root LPR divided by PR. Because the square root of PR times the square root of PR is just PR. This would be an answer. And if you're given all the numbers except for t, this wouldn't work. Because then you would just go from there. But if you're just looking to rationalize the denominator like some instructions state, that would be it.